Breaking into product management can be really tough. Statistics say that for every 10 software engineers, you only need one product manager. And the number of applicants in product management has absolutely skyrocketed over the last couple of years. Uska matlab hai competition is very fierce. But here's the good news. You can actually become a product manager without needing an MBA or without even a lot of experience. Why? Because that's exactly what I did as well. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the best 3 ways for you to get into product management to crack your first product manager job, even if you're starting from scratch. So watch this video till the end. So my name is Neelayan, and last year when I got laid off from Amazon as a software engineer, I actually pivoted to become a product manager. And without any experience, I do not have any MBA. I just had only 1 year of experience. That was a software engineer. I had actually gotten a job within 2 months of applying. And by the way, I got more salary than I used to get at Amazon. And over the past years, seeing my friends crack their first product manager job as well, I figured out the hacks that will help you crack your first product manager job. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, the first and the easiest way for you to get into product management is actually through an internship in an early stage company. So early stage startup में क्या होता है कि they don't care about your formal education, आपके पास experience है कि नहीं. They value the impact that you will bring and they value the hard work and आपका will power कितना है. How much can you learn? How much can you quickly grow in a short amount of time? They care about that. They care about your potential rather than your resume. And that is the best way for you to get into product management. And no, it's not necessary for you to actually get into product management internship as well. यहाँ पे आप एक marketing intern और एक ऑपरेशंस इंटर्न या फिर एक बिजनेस इंटर्न होकर भी घुस सकते हो एंड यू कैन स्लोली स्केल योर वे थ्रू प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट. अर्ली स्टेज कंपनी में आपको बहुत ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी, बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस दिए जाएंगे कि भाई तू ये भी काम कर ले, तू ये भी कर ले. ये सीखने के बाद यू कैन एक्चुअली टेल योर सीईओ दैट हे, I also want to become a product manager. Can you show me the way? And they're more than happy to do that for you. Matlab, I have seen in my company countless people move from QA, from software engineer to becoming a product manager because the CEO, the leadership people gave them a chance to become a product manager. And that is, I feel, one of the easiest way to become a product manager at any early stage company. Now let's get on to a second option, which is transitioning into product management in your same company. And this works very well when you're working in a very big organization like Amazon, Atlassian. Although I have seen a lot of my friends actually transition from being a data scientist to a product manager, software engineer to a product manager, business analyst to a product manager, all of these roles. But any role which has close collaboration with product management, you can actually transition to that. And even sales and marketing reps, I've seen that they've become a product manager at their own company by transitioning inside the org. The biggest advantage here is that you know the product, you know the market, you know the industry, you know everything works. So what you have to do here is that आप थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट का काम लेना स्टार्ट कर दो कि हाँ मैं तेरे लिए थोड़ा रिसर्च कर देता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा यूजर रिसर्च कर देता हूँ. यू टेक मोर थिंग्स ऑन योर प्लेट रादर देन द यूजुअल मार्केटिंग, सेल्स या फिर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट काम. यू टेक more things on your plate and show the capability to your manager that hey, I can transition in this role. I'm already doing most of the work that product managers do. Please give me a chance. And these companies usually do. और ये बड़े कंपनी दे रहे हैं, अर्ली स्टेज कंपनी में तो और इजी है. एंड इवन इफ यू सी दैट आपको मिल नहीं रहा है अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, यू कैन एक्चुअली गो फॉर द एडजेसेंट रोल्स जो प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट के बाजू में रहता है, व्हिच इज प्रोग्राम मैनेजमेंट, बिजनेस एनालिसिस, बिकॉज इन तीनों का रोल बहुत ही ओवरलैप करता है. तो यू कैन एक्चुअली टारगेट दीज रोल्स एज वेल एंड विद इन 1 to 2 years you'll be able to transition into the product manager role. Just remember this, it's always easier for the company to actually transition someone into product management inside the org because you already know everything rather than hiring someone, because hiring में बहुत ज़्यादा cost, बहुत ज़्यादा resources required होते हैं. And the third one is actually very interesting. It happens a lot in Delhi and Bangalore, which is network and then make a lateral move. प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट एक ऐसा चीज है जहाँ पे आपको विल पावर, आपका जिगरा, आपका इम्पैक्ट, आपका पोटेंशियल से आपको लोग हायर कर सकते हैं. बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, नोएडा, गुड़गांव, इस जगह पे इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं, राइट? मेक श्योर दैट यू गोइंग टू ऑल ऑफ दीस इवेंट्स एंड एक्चुअली नेटवर्किंग विद ऑल द पीपल. शो देम दैट यू हैव द पोटेंशियल टू बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर. शो देम योर प्रोजेक्ट, शो देम योर पेट एप्स दैट हे देखो मैंने ये बनाया, मैंने ये बनाया. एंड दीस पीपल यूजुअली रिमेंबर यू एंड दीस पीपल आर मोर देन हैप्पी टू गिव यू अ चांस. वन थिंग दैट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड व्हाइल नेटवर्किंग इन बैंगलोर इज दैट ऑल CEOs आर ऑलवेज हायरिंग. दे माइट नॉट ऑलवेज हैव देयर जॉब पोस्टिंग्स on their job portal, but if a CEO really likes you, if a CEO really likes your potential and your willpower and your enthusiasm, they will hire you. So attend product management meetups तो होते रहते हैं. Engage with actual product managers who are there in the industry. Ask them for their referral and try to get in through their referral. So referrals are again a great way for you to become a product manager. And what I've seen in the industry is most of the product managers are actually gone through referral. इन लोगों को hire किया जाता है referral के वजह से. अगर मैं किसी को बोलूँ कि hey, this is my friend, he's got a great personality, he's got immense learning power, उसके पास बहुत potential है, हाँ experience थोड़ा कम है, but you can give him a try. The CEO and the C-suite will actually be willing to take at least the first फर्स्ट राउंड, तो मैं फर्स्ट राउंड तक तुमको पहुंचा ही सकता हूँ. एंड दिस इज द पावर ऑफ रेफरल्स. So don't underestimate networking as well. Now outside of these 3 ways, I've actually got a bonus tip for you, which is actually try to build your own startup or to build your own product. And that is something that I did in my 3rd year of college. So मैं अपने 2nd year 3rd year of college में I started this online business जहाँ पे मैं लोगों को गिटार सिखा रहा था, ड्रम्स सिखा रहा था, फुटबॉल सिखा रहा था, all online. कोविड था, सब कुछ था, but I had actual users, I had actual revenue, I had actual customers जो ये product use कर रहे थे. हाँ, this was like an agency, this was like a services, but मेरे पास actual पैसा था, which I actually showed to recruiters कि ये देखो मैंने ये चीज बनाया, मेरे पास actually पैसा आ रहा है. I know that I can become a product manager. Please give me a chance. I also showcased my YouTube channel to these recruiters कि ये देखो ये मेरे branding skills है, ये मेरे marketing skills है. I have collaborated with these brands. ये देखो मेरा इतना watch time है, लोग मेरा वीडियो इतना देखते हैं, मेरे इतने subscribers हैं. And that also I did in my 3rd year of college. So recruiters usually look for these things when you don't have any experience. Try to build your own startup. हो ना हो but try कीजिए. ये try करोगे, even a failed startup means a lot to them. And this doesn't necessarily have to be very big or something. आप एक छोटा ऐप बनाओ, आप छोटा GitHub project बनाओ, but try to get some users into it, and the recruiters will actually love you for doing that. So yeah, these are the best ways for you to get your first product manager job. So if you like this video, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you guys in the next one.